Did you know that Hannibal's army survived the Alps by eating their own dead? In winter 218 BCE, 38,000 men were trapped in the frozen mountains. Supply lines were cut. Local tribes refused all trade. Soldiers were dying from starvation and bitter cold every single day. That's when Hannibal made the most horrific decision in military history. He allowed his troops to consume the flesh of their fallen comrades. Men who had fought side by side now carved meat from frozen corpses. The psychological horror was unbearable, but it kept them alive. Enough survived to reach Italy and terrorize Rome for years. This cannibalistic survival enabled his greatest victories. One disturbing choice changed the entire course of the Punic Wars.